The irregular angles of the land whispered a unique challenge and an exciting opportunity to the architects at Wahana. Shaped like a distinct pentagon, the plot for KC House demanded a design that would not only fit its unusual form but also celebrate its inherent individuality. This initial geometric puzzle became the cornerstone of a vision that sought to harmonize the built environment with the natural blessings of the site. A verdant front garden promised a welcoming embrace, while the gentle murmur of a small river flowing through a tranquil green area at the rear offered a sanctuary of peace. Yet, this idyllic setting was not without its complexities. Looming nearby, the presence of tall apartment buildings presented a significant concern for privacy. The architects recognized the delicate balance required to fully embrace the openness and natural beauty of the surroundings while carefully shielding the inhabitants from unwanted gazes. This interplay between exposure and seclusion became a central theme in the evolving design narrative. Drawing inspiration from ancient wisdom, the principles of feng shui were thoughtfully integrated into the spatial arrangement of KC House. This cultural lens guided the placement of rooms and the flow of energy, aiming to create a harmonious and balanced living environment. Furthermore, the client's desire for relaxed outdoor seating areas was a key consideration, envisioning spaces where they could comfortably connect with nature and enjoy the tropical climate. Ascending to the second floor revealed the primary living quarters, a seamless integration of spaces designed for connection and conviviality. The living room, dining area, and kitchen flowed effortlessly into one another, each thoughtfully positioned to capture the picturesque views of the lush front garden and the vibrant streetscape beyond. Adjacent to these communal spaces, a dedicated prayer area offered a quiet sanctuary for reflection. Embracing the client's desire for outdoor living, a casual seating area extended from the main living space, providing an ideal spot to unwind and enjoy the fresh air. To address the privacy concerns posed by the neighboring apartments, innovative laser-cut designs were strategically employed, acting as elegant screens that filtered views without compromising natural light or ventilation. The uppermost level of KC House was envisioned as a private retreat, a sanctuary for rest and rejuvenation. The master bedroom, accompanied by 3 children's bedrooms, a cozy family room for intimate gatherings, and a tranquil reading nook, were carefully arranged according to feng shui principles to promote well-being and harmony. In its entirety, the design of KC House stands as a testament to thoughtful architectural synthesis, a harmonious blend of site-specific considerations, cultural sensitivity, and the personal aspirations of its inhabitants, resulting in a truly unique and special 3-story home. The architectural response to these diverse influences manifested as a clever division of the 3-story structure into 2 distinct volumes. This intentional separation created a central void, a light-filled atrium that would draw sunlight deep into the heart of the home, fostering a bright and airy atmosphere throughout. The ground floor was conceived as a functional foundation, accommodating the necessary elements of modern living: a sheltered carport, a welcoming entrance, a flexible multi-purpose area, a comfortable guest bedroom, and essential service spaces tucked away discreetly.